Hello everyone, my name is Kirti Sharma and I am doing a social internship in Shiksha Kranti NGO in Solin. And today I am here with Prachi and I would like to give you an introduction.
Hi, my name is Prachi and I am a volunteer under Shiksha Kranti NGO Solan. I am pursuing BA from GC Solan and am very excited to have a podcast with her.
Okay, so Prachi, I would like to ask you first, what are your interests? Like, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are writing diaries, and I write poetry sometimes, and also reading books.
Okay, so any one book you would love to recommend me or to the viewers?
There are so many books, but I can't think of anyone. I think October Junction is one of my favorite book.
Okay, great. So, Prachi, as we all are Gen Zs, new generation, so what do you think about this new generation, like Gen Zs? Like, we know how we ourselves knows, but what do you think about the millennials or the older generation? How they, how do they see us?
I think so. They see us as like I think so. Every generation loves to roast the next generation. They think that we have ruined the world. I think so but I think so they are not wrong at the same time. We call it age gap, and they are right at their point, and we are right at our point. So we are like not different persons, but
Yeah, mostly it's about how we see things.
yes.
They see it differently, we see
We
it
see it
different.
differently. It's all about perspective.
And what do you think about the protest that is going on?
Oh, CJP protest at Jantar Mantar. I think we should support the cause of this protest. It's for students, it's for us, it's for youth, and we should support it. But also, I don't like their demands because it don't have any long time visions, or it's not going to solve the problem from roots. And but at the same time, it's like the resignation of education minister. I think it's a very good step for starting. And yes, we should support it, I guess.
Okay, so basically we should support the cause, we should support the
The
students. Okay, and if you will get a chance to go to that protest, or maybe if it happens here, will you go?
Yes, I would definitely.
And what do you think about this gender equality thing? Like, how it is progressing in India? Is it progressing or is it not?
I don't think so. Matlab, it is, but it's not at the same time, because some people are not understanding the thing that women's don't want, like they don't want कि हमें इतनी freedom दे दो कि they want equality basically, but they think that we want to become superior than the men. And I think it's progressing in some manner, because some are literally understanding what feminism is, but at the same time feminism, like most of the people don't even know what meaning it, what its meaning.
Okay, yeah, because I have seen a lot of cases where people don't even know what the
Feminism is.
word, the term means. And I have seen a lot of videos, lot of cases where women say that we are feminist and guys are like, okay, okay, I won't date you, okay, I'm not interested in you. So how is that? So like what do they think of feminism is?
I think so. They think that women want to become or look superior than them, because we have suffered as women from past for a very long time. And they think that they give this example that मेरी मम्मी ने किया. So they like to glorify the sacrifices, and I don't think so it's a really good thing. They think that we want to look superior basically.
True, true. Yeah, I have seen these cases. The main thing is that they don't know what the actual thing is, what we actually want, what the term means. Yeah, that is true. Okay, so how do you think it can like get better? How we can make them understand what it actually is, what we actually want?
I think they lack the meaning and awareness about feminism. Like I said, that they think we want to look superior, but we should make some like NGOs and maybe some organizations that will help them or aware them about what feminism is. Feminism is basically equality. We want equal rights. We want that when we stand up for yourself. It's They think that when we stand up for yourself, it's like lack of morality, but it's not.
Like you are here from 1 year, as you told me. So how's your experience, and what do you think you have improved in yourself?
I'm here at Shiksha Kranti for 1 year, and it's a long time. And from sir, I have like learned a lot of things. I have improved my communication skills, my camera shy wali wo cheez, and I used to not communicate better before Shiksha Kranti, and sir is a really good human. He is a social worker. He guides us for like cleanliness. He guides us that what should we do, what should we not, what should we support, what should we not.
Okay. So about cleanliness, so what do you think, how we can clean our society, how we can motivate people to clean this earth?
I think so. We should start from ourselves, because we think that एक आदमी ने फेंक दिया तो क्या हो गया. This is the main thing. So we should start from ourselves, from our family, because we like to keep our house clean. So we should think that this earth is our home, so we will keep it clean.
Okay, so yeah, this is the thing that people lack. This is the main thing. They think that we can just throw this wrapper, what will happen?
will
Just
happen?
one wrapper, yeah. Everybody thinks that, and that's how the earth is becoming so bad. Okay, so have you ever like volunteered? Have you gone to this cleanliness drive or anything?
Yes, in lockdown, I will start from that. In lockdown era, me and my sister decided to clean the like village area, and after that I have like volunteered for many like cleanliness drive, and even in college I'm an NSS volunteer, so I volunteer myself for cleaning and all.
So is there any question you want to ask from me?
Yes, I would like to know your views about feminism. You said about gender equality.
Okay, so my views on this, that we all are equal, but this equality thing is not going very well right now, or even from past years. People see women, they like objectify women. Lot of men, not every man we know, but a lot of men, mostly men, and women themselves also, like they have suffered that thing. So now they think that maybe it's their daughter-in-law, maybe it's their own daughter. They try to make them like, they think that if we have suffered, this is not a suffering, this is a normal thing, this is how it's supposed to be. So they don't know that it is not how it's supposed to be. Men are not superior to us. We are all equal, and we should be treated equal. From home it first starts. From home, mothers and father, they need to teach their son and daughter also, both, that we all are equal and we need to respect each other. So from home, from your own home, these things starts, and we can change the world like that.
Very well answered. And my next question is, what do you think about the CGP protest? You said that you supported, but what do you think don't you think so that it's a political agenda, or?
Look, maybe it is. Maybe, I'm not sure. Obviously, I don't know the things that are going on there, but maybe it is, maybe it's not. But the main thing I support is just those students who have suffered, the genuine students who are coming there, the cause of that we need a better education system. That is the main thing I support. And about the CJP party, I don't know what its main thing is. Is it like is it only for the students? Is it a political driven thing? I don't know that, but I am just supporting the students. I am supporting the cause, the right cause.
Okay. And what do you think that people are basically erasing the main cause. So what should like government do on this? How they see it?
I think government, like in past 2 days, last 2 days, government has given some response to us. But I think, after this protest, after lot of things happened, then government started giving response. If government was aware, if government took actions way before when it happened only, so that would have been much better. And right now, even if this protest is happening and they are giving response, they should see this thing as a very important thing, because this is the base of everything. Education is the main thing for every country. So education builds every country, so they need to see this as a very important issue, not just as a thing that under pressure they are doing anything. No, just see this as a very important issue, as they see every like if something is happening in the borders, they see it as a very important issue. But from inside also, how the country will grow from the education only, so they should focus on this.
Okay. Thank you for answering my questions, and I think this is the end. Thank you for watching this video, and please write your opinions about our podcast. And thank you.
Thank you for having this podcast with me. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Vishwa.